Alright mate, I'm Elle. I'm currently in the Lake District with my brother Steve, my mountaineering partner. It's our first winter season together. Look at this unreal view. We're gonna head up Helvellyn now, we're gonna camp for the night. Conditions look amazing, I'm literally so excited. So let's do it. You can't quite see the summit from the beginning, but you can see where we walk up the path section, and then behind that hump we should be able to see Helvellyn. Can you hear that? This thing on the side is making a weird noise. Weird. Wow, that is one of the nicest views I've caught in my GoPro ever. What the fuck? So I'm pretty sure these two guys we met in the car park, and they said they were just gonna make their own path straight up the mountain, which is wicked. So I think now it's like unofficially a race. I don't know if they know that we're racing, but let's get on with it. Ooh. That's such a good feeling when you first get to see the rest of the view sort of popping out. Made some good ascent so far, actually. We've just come over the shoulder, and I recognise this wall here. It's one of my like core memories of Helvellyn, is just having this wall on my left and feeling like it's never going to end. See what I mean? This wall goes on forever. Okay. Nice one. Nice. But we're going up there. Nice. Oh. Absolutely stunning. Come on, let's see what these lads are doing. Cowboy sledging on a bin bag, beautiful. Go on, lads.
This can only end well.
Fastest way down the mountain.
Already classy? We're off.
See you later, boys. Epic. Legend. That looks so fun. These two are our mates from earlier that we met in the car park. Also camping, so get to know them, no doubt. We've just browed the shoulder. There's Helvellyn over there. She looks beautiful, mate. Oh shit. Pull that out, would you? Oh, yeah, nice one. So it's 6 degrees tomorrow or something.
I've got my harness and that. We can rent you a harness and I can buy a rope.
You know what they say?
Wow.
Oh, proper snowdrift. Oh, nice one. I guess that miles. Speedy Gonzalez. We are still following this goddamn wall. Oh, God. All the way to the ridge. And then that's our striding edge. That's the summit where we'll be camping, and then I think we'll be coming down Squirrel Edge on that side. The wind and the weather's definitely coming in. Getting a bit cloudy now. Summit's in cloud as well, that's classic, just before we get there. Enjoy the views now, they're not going to last very long. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it's good to sit down, isn't it?
Because you do a lot of like girl only hikes, don't you?
I do a lot of what?
Girl only,
yeah, I've got like a women's like hiking community.
I like that.
Thanks. Yeah, it's
I like
just
that
trying to help women get into it, you know, meet some people who do that sort of
My
thing.
sister wants to and she's too scared, so
Yeah.
I like the fact
Exactly,
that
that's what I'm
people do
saying.
stuff like that.
And even look at this, mate, I have no girlfriends. Everyone I fucking meet is a lad, like, everyone I meet. So it's just nice, even for myself, to have some girl mates. Like, yeah, you should get your sister onto our group. We'll take care of it. Get her into it.
Yeah, because I said come with me and she was like, no, you do.
You're too fast. Exactly, that's what I mean though. It's quite intimidating because, especially if you're starting out, you're probably unfit. Like, your hill fitness isn't that good.
Yeah, 100%.
And lads like fucking you storm off in front. It's just a bit of shit. Let's go, proper winter. Crampons on, it's getting serious. And the weather has come in. Drake's frozen. Nice. Nice one, mate. Wow, Steve, you look really cool. Nice. I think maybe back that way a little bit. Possibly. Oh, there we go. That's all right. All good. Cool, mate. Sun's leaving us now. Would have been nice to get up there in the light, but it is what it is. Just getting to the end of the ridge, so it's literally just there, not far away at all. It feels sketchier than it does in summer. It definitely feels different in summer. Yeah, I'll be very careful, thank you. Nice, I'm going to face in. That's a sketchy gully. Woo! Fuck yeah, mate. That was good. Chuck it like here, yeah, in front of me. I'll try and stop it. Oh, that's perfect. You can get it on your way. No problem. Better than throwing it off the mountain. Wow, nice. That was brave. Nice, we made it to the summit. We're at the snow shelter, wind shelter now, which is just this big stone cross. And we're gonna camp right by the side of it. It's gonna be epic. Nice one, Stephen. Nice one, lads.
Where's grab the other side?
Oh, most important thing is to watch your fucking crampons on the tent.
Yeah, I'm miles away. Yeah. For sure.
Cool. Pull this one tight.
Which
on your
one?
side.
Yep.
As tight as it goes. Cool. Get this shit inside. Yeah, fair. I'll try and put the good spot. Oh, I feel fucking amazing. We are in the tent now and we'll be here for the next 12 hours or so. And I'm not going to vlog, but we're going to probably watch a movie, make some dinner, drink a little bit, and then go to sleep. So, see you in the morning.
Yeah, espresso martini.
Yeah, okay. I can't. Oh my god. I can't wait to watch this video back.
Yeah.
As soon as I sensed sunlight, I was wide awake. I woke Steve, I went outside and woke the other lads too. There was no chance I was going to let them miss the main event, especially after we had no sunset last night. Quite a few other people started to reach the summit to watch the sun come up. We took a bunch of photos, appreciated the show, and slowly packed down our tents. I spent most of the walk back to the car reflecting on how many years I'd been looking forward to having the gear and the skills to go out on this kind of expedition. I'd had tons of fun. I'm really glad I got to experience it with my brother of all people, and I made some really cool new mountaineering friends on the way, which is just fantastic. Anyway, I forgot to vlog literally anything more after this point, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, then please like the video and have a great rest of your day. Peace.